SteelSeries Arctis Gamebuds arrive as a bold, new entry in the gaming earphone category, promising console-level comfort, reliable wireless connectivity and a suite of premium features, all in an ultra-portable in-ear package. Targeted squarely at Xbox and PC gamers who prefer buds to bulky over-ear headsets, the Gamebuds deliver on many fronts. After spending time with them, here's why they stand out, and where they still face an uphill battle. Rather than squeezing the ear with rigid plastic, the Gamebuds use a softly curved, lightweight housing wrapped in matte silicone. SteelSeries includes multiple ear tip sizes, so you can dial in a snug, pressure-free fit. In long gaming sessions, these buds remain virtually imperceptible, gentle on the ear canal, yet secure enough that they never pop loose during quick head turns or leaning forward. Heat buildup is minimal, and fatigue never sets in, even after several hours. Moving away from the trend of touch-sensitive controls, SteelSeries equips the Gamebuds with clicky physical buttons. Each bud has a raised, slightly textured switch that you press with a deliberate click, eliminating accidental taps common with touch panels. It takes marginally more force, but the feedback is satisfying, and it's always clear when you've landed a command. By default, a triple press quickly toggles between Bluetooth and the 2.4 GHz gaming mode, while other button sequences manage play pause, volume or voice chat mute. Further customization, down to specific in-game EQ presets, lives in the companion Arctis app on PC and mobile. Gamebuds bridge two worlds: standard Bluetooth for music or mobile calls, and a low-latency 2.4 GHz dongle for glitch-free gaming audio. Switching modes is seamless, and range on the dongle easily covers most living rooms and office spaces without dropouts. On top of that, true active noise cancellation ANC filters out background chatter or ambient hum, letting you focus on footsteps, gunfire or voice chat, even in crowded, noisy environments. When you need situational awareness, a quick button press activates chat through transparency mode, piping ambient noise through the microphone so you don't have to remove the buds. Despite their small drivers, the Gamebuds hold their own in spatial games like Valorant or PUBG. Positional cues remain discernible. You can detect footsteps behind you, the crackle of distant gunfire, and directional ability casts with surprising clarity. They won't rival a full-size headset's sense of space. Over-ear models naturally provide a more open soundstage, but the Gamebuds' imaging is more than adequate for competitive play. On the music side, instruments separate cleanly even in bass heavy tracks like death metal. The dual driver design balances punchy low end with crisp mids and highs. A built-in MEMS mic handles voice chat reasonably well, transmitting in-game banter with adequate clarity. Background noise is suppressed but not eliminated. If you record streams or produce podcasts, you'll still want a standalone mic. But for squad coordination, the Gamebuds mic does its job. Uniquely for an in-ear gaming device, the Gamebuds support Qi wireless charging. Toss the small carrying case onto any pad, and you get a quick top-up between matches. The case itself holds several full charges, extending battery life to over a day of mixed use. SteelSeries quotes roughly 68 hours per bud, with ANC active, and another 2,024 hours from the case. That endurance keeps you going through conventions, LAN parties or cross-continent commutes. Until now, true wireless gaming buds have been scarce. Razer's Hammerhead lineup enjoys strong brand loyalty, but its hyperspeed Xbox variant has suffered from serious interference issues, making it unreliable in many setups. Priced around $130, those buds sound good, but struggle to maintain a stable wireless link. At $159.99, the Gamebuds cost about $30 more, but deliver far more dependable connectivity and the added benefits of ANC, wireless charging and customizable controls. Over-ear rivals like Turtle Beach's Stealth 700 Gen 3, $160 offer similar price points, but they lack active noise cancellation. and can be bulkier to wear during extended streams or mobile play. By contrast, the Gamebuds remain discreet and breathable, ideal for those who dislike heavy headsets or who switch frequently between gaming and podcasts on the go. No in-ear design can fully replicate an over-ear soundstage, so audiophiles or competitive players obsessed with absolute positional accuracy may still prefer full-size headsets. The physical buttons, while precise, also introduce a slight learning curve in quickly executing commands. Finally, the microphone, good for casual chat, can't match the clarity of a dedicated boom mic. SteelSeries Arctis Gamebuds carve out a unique niche. As the best truly wireless gaming buds available today, they marry exceptional comfort, reliable dual-mode wireless, full-featured ANC, wireless charging and respectable sound quality in a package light enough to barely notice. For Xbox, PC and mobile gamers who value discretion or who dislike over-ear headsets, they represent a compelling all-rounder. Priced at $159.99, they justify their premium over lower-cost rivals, especially when you factor in seamless multi-device switching, studio-grade noise cancellation and the immersive sound that only Gamebuds can deliver.